So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how Sketcher works. I'm just going to do feature by feature. So we're going to do Sketcher today, and then we'll do the other features following this. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt your video. I just wanted to ask you, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's going to make it easier for me to share my content with you guys in the future, and it will make it so that you don't miss anything. Cool. So to do a sketch, we're going to say new part. Say okay. We're going to get our sketching planes. We're going to say sketch. We're going to click on our plane. We're going to say sketch on that plane that we selected. We'll turn it to your drawing view. Okay, then it depends what you want to sketch. If you want just a straight line, obviously you can click your straight line. So, okay. If I want center lines, these are my center lines. Okay, so that's that one there. This is geometry center lines. Then if I want to do a square, I can go square and just draw my square. There are three different versions. As you can see. Okay, so those are your squares. You can do circles, obviously. Normal circle center. You can do 2-point circle, which is an ellipse. Okay. Yeah, and then you can do just center to radius circle as well. Okay, so those are your circles. We can do an arc. So if I want to go from yeah to yeah now, simple. Just bear in mind when you do your arc, if you're clicking, see this little square here, it depends which way you're going. That's which way it's going to pull your direction of your bend. Yeah, so depending on which way you go from there is where it's going to put your bend. As you can see, if I go this way now, it goes out the other side. Okay, so that's your arc. Then you've got your delete segment. That one's going to be easy. You just, wherever it crosses a line, it will trim it, as you can see. Okay, very easy. And yeah, so we can also do, if I do this, I remove this quickly. You can also insert references, sketch references. So you can then select your planes as your references, or if you have a block, you can select edges, so on and so forth. Those are your references that go with your sketcher. Then if I have a square, let's use a standard square. I use a square and I want a rounded corner. That's going to be this one, circular, as you can see there. Then I can put my radius in there and it will change the size. Then you also have, which is like a chamfer on a steel block, same like your chamfer tool. So there's your chamfer. Again, I can just adjust the size manually. Very easy. Then I've got my points, so I can put points relating to what I want to draw, for instance, instead of doing an actual line. And then I can connect my points. So if you want to dimension your points for sketching, for dimensioning, whichever, yeah, you've got your normal dimension feature, which is then click, and it will give you a dimension. On a circular, you're going to click if I go on my measuring tool here, you're going to click once for radius, okay, and you're going to click twice for diameter. Okay, very easy, simple, easy. If you want your lines vertical, you're going to click on this one, you're going to click on that line, make it vertical. If you want your line perfectly horizontal, again, you can go on your horizontal tab there, click on that one, make it horizontal. If you want them the same length, you can make them the same length. If you want the same angle, you can always say that one and that one, for instance, will give you the same angle. Yeah, symmetrical, again, select that one, select that one, select your center line, make sure there's a center line. Okay, symmetrical, select that one, select that one, select your center line, and we'll make it symmetrical. Okay, and that is Sketcher. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope this is helpful. Hey guys, quick favor, if this video helped you, tap like. It tells YouTube my content is worth showing to more people. And hit subscribe if you want more quick tutorials, tips and real engineering tricks for Creo. More videos dropping every week. Have a great one, guys. So guys, today I'm going to show you how to create a pulley, V-belt pulley in under 10 minutes, depending on the sizes you have. And this is more or less what it's going to look like when it's done. So stick around, watch till the end. There's a nice little feature at the end again, and enjoy. Welding table, um, very simple. It's got a shelf. It's got holes for your welding brackets. It's quite nice. Any welder fabricator will tell you that this is one of the most helpful things to have in your workshop, to jig up and bolt down any parts that you're welding so that they don't bend and don't deform. Yeah, so enjoy, guys. Voila. So you don't have to draw each one. You can just pattern or mirror them. Very simple, very easy. Hey guys, quick favor, if this video helped you, tap like. It tells YouTube my content is worth showing to more people. And hit subscribe if you want more quick tutorials, tips and real engineering tricks for Creo. More videos dropping every week. Have a great one, guys.